Welcome all, Papa G here. Today I present a very easy dinner recipe, my quick and easy chicken casserole. This low-carb casserole is packed with flavor and texture and is perfect for those busy days when your time is short. Let's get started. You'll need 22 ounces of cooked chicken breasts and a can of French-style green beans. Prep the chicken by cutting into half-inch pieces and set aside. To a large mixing bowl, add some sour cream, mayonnaise, 1 can of cream of chicken soup, add just a bit of salt, ground black pepper, garlic powder, dried thyme, and just a little cayenne pepper. Give this a mix to combine. Now add 2 stalks of diced celery, the green beans, and 4 ounces of finely shredded cheddar cheese. Give this another mix. Finally, add our chicken to the bowl and give a final mix to combine. Lightly oil a 9 by 13 inch baking dish and pour the mix into the dish and use a spoon to distribute it evenly. Bake uncovered in the middle of a preheated 350-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes or until it's slightly browned on top. While our casserole is baking, we'll work on the topping. Add an entire 3-ounce bag of pork rinds to a food processor and pulse until chopped. We don't want to completely grind the pork rinds here. We want to leave some whole pieces for texture and flavor. Remove the casserole from the oven. Evenly distribute the pork rinds over the casserole. And now sprinkle a 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese over the top and a 1/2 tablespoon of onion powder. This will give us the flavor and texture of the crispy fried onions we've always loved on casseroles, but without all the carbs. Place back in the oven for 5 additional minutes. Remove and let stand for about 5 to 10 minutes. Serve hot, garnish with a little dried parsley, and enjoy. There you have it, folks. My quick and easy chicken casserole. A deliciously easy low-carb dinner recipe. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.